Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write serial number first, second, third in Google Sheet. So let's start. At first, open your Google Sheet document. In this video, I will show that write serial number. Now we can say, now click for a apply from serial number first, second, third. Now keyboard press from the equal. Now type from the choose. Now for click. Now select from the serial number. Now press comma, double quotation, st, again double quotation, again comma, again double quotation, nd, again double quotation, again comma, again double quotation, rd, again double quotation, again comma, again double quotation, th. Now again double quotation, again comma, again double quotation, th, again double quotation, again comma, double quotation, th, again double quotation, and close the first bracket. Now keyboard press from the enter. Now click on the tick mark. That's it. Then I show write serial number first, second, third in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.